The world's largest marathon, the New York City Marathon, is held on the first Sunday in November each year. Between 2 million and 2.5 million, which is 2,500,000, spectators will line the streets to cheer on the marathon runners. At most, what is the percent error? So, the difference between these, the error, would be 500,000. So we're going to calculate 500,000 over 2 million and figure out what percent error that comes out to. Don't forget, cross multiply and divide. That'll tell you the percent.